Hello dear traders, you are watching ИнстаФорекс TV with me, Tahmina Salomova. During our weekly link-up, we are going to talk about the quotes dynamics of the main trading instruments and forecast their further movement with the help of our technical expert Petr Yakimovic. During the week, the most popular pair in the forex market, Euro-USD, was approaching the psychological threshold 1.1000. But as for now, the pair hasn't gone below this mark. Hello Petr, in your opinion, will the US dollar be able to break this support level?
Hello dear traders. I'm expecting a lower price on the USD. The price broke very successfully the symmetrical triangle according to a daily time frame, and the price is trading very well below the 100 simple moving average, below the 200 simple moving average, below the 50. So very strong bearish trend according to the short and mid-term perspective. The first downward target and the first let's say significant support is set at the price of 1.0930. This level is where we got the swing low in the previous price action according to the daily time frame, and it is also the Fibonacci expansion 61.8%. If the price breaks the level of 1.0930 in a high volume, and we see the supply is really strong, the next downward target will be at the 1.0665, and this is the Fibonacci expansion 100% from the most recent swings according to the daily time frame. Again, because of the successful breakout of the symmetrical triangle in the background, because of the strong selling pressure on this currency pair, my advice to watch for selling opportunities on the pullbacks, again with the first target at 1.0930.
The dollar strengthened its position against the British pound as well. The main reason for selling pressure is politics. Investors are concerned about Brexit. Petr, what orders do you suggest for this pair next week?
I'm expecting a lower price on the British pound USD. As like I forecasted last week, the price actually tested the Fibonacci expansion 61.8% according to the daily time frame at the price of 1.2130. And as I mentioned the last week, this is a very good support, and I found that some buyers entered the market, but not so significant. So in my opinion, the British pound USD is still in the bearish trend, in the very strong bearish trend, and you should only watch for selling opportunities according to the short-term perspective. If the price breaks the level of 1.2020, which is the swing low according to a daily time frame, the most recent swing low, if the price breaks 1.2020 in a high volume, we may see a much weaker British pound and potentially, according to the short-term perspective, testing of 1.1300, which is actually the Fibonacci expansion 100% from the most recent swings. So watch for selling opportunities. Pay attention to 1.2020, because this is a swing low according to the daily time frame, most recent. Breakout of this level will confirm for a downward price and potential testing of 1.1300.
The yen has also lost investors' interest who prefer to leave safe haven assets on the positive news from China. Should traders hurry to sell the yen?
I'm expecting the higher price on the USD Japanese yen. This currency pair actually did successful breakout of symmetrical triangle on the bottom, and I saw the increasing in the volume in this breakout, which is very good. Also, I found the upward trend line, which is a price respecting, and the buyers protecting this upward trend line according to the daily time frame. There is also the price is above the 50 moving average, above the 20, and above the 100 simple moving average. So the short-term perspective, the short-term trend is bullish, and my advice to watch for buying opportunities on the dips of this currency pair. The first significant resistance, a potential take profit level, is set at the price of 106.80, or let's say 107 level. This area is a very strong resistance according to the daily time frame. There is a strong swing high at that point, so watch to scale out your position near this 107 level, and again watch for buying news on the dips on this currency pair.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations. See you next Friday. You watched ИнстаФорекс TV Linkup with me, Takhmina Salomova, and ИнстаФорекс expert Peter Ikimovich. We wish you successful traders and see you next week.